Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our bed stiffeners on this Toyota Tacoma. Now the bed stiffener is a great addition to your truck if you're adding additional weight to the bed sides with a truck cap or a cargo rack or anything like that, or if you're doing a lot of aggressive trail riding. It's just going to make sure that your bed sides maintain their rigidity. It's a simple install. We do have to do some drilling, 3 holes on each side. We supply the hardware for the sides. Along the bottoms where it ties into the bed side, we're going to reuse the factory hardware. All right, we'll get the tail lights out of the way, then we're going to remove this bed bolt and this tie down bolt. Really? And the reason we do that is we need access to the back side of this panel. Now, let's go ahead and remove these bolts. Now we're going to set our stiffener in place, and I'm going to drop the bolts in just to make sure I've got it aligned properly. Got our stiffener in place. I've got our factory bolts positioning the stiffener where I want it. I'm going to take a paint pen and just mark where we need to make our holes for our additional hardware. Then we'll remove the stiffener and drill those out. Now we will put our stiffener bracket back in place, take the supplied hardware and attach it to the bedside. Now we'll install the factory hardware, tighten those down, then we'll tighten down our side hardware. I've got the bed stiffeners installed. I've slid the bed mat back in place. No need to modify that. It fits around them perfectly. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall the taillights. And that's all it takes to install the Rough Country bed stiffeners onto your truck. In less than 30 or 45 minutes, you'll have the peace of mind of knowing that your bed sides are triangulated to the bed floor and they're never going to splay out. Whether you're riding with the tailgate down or you've added additional weight, you've got a simple, elegant, stylish solution to take care of you no matter what. So if you're looking to add a little stabilization into your bedside situation, check out Rough Country's bed stiffeners, available today at roughcountry.com.